Well, ano 'tong blind box advertisement. So, ito yung mga advertisement na, hindi ina-identify yung organization na nag-place ng advertisement. So, meron itong merits o advantages, meron din itong disadvantages. Pero, yung disadvantages nito is yung mga pandaraya ng mga employees dun sa isang organization. Kasi hindi mo in-identify yung organization mo, so yung mga employees nun, pwedeng mag-explore ng employment opportunity, sabi ng mbaschool.com, pwede silang mag-explore ng employment sa employment market without being cut by the current employer. So, hindi sila mahuhuli ng mga boss nila o ng employer nila dahil hindi naka-specify yung organization. Yun yung masama, no? Kasi parang niloloko mo na yung employer mo. And then, yung maganda naman doon kung ang isang organization want to remain anonymous o hindi magpakilala all throughout. And kung hindi na sila, for that advertisement lang, if they decide na hindi na ulit magpa-advertise, so okay lang kasi anonymous naman sila. So, may mga ganyan, they want to remain anonymous. Kasi tinitesting pa nila yung market and syempre baka sakawang gawa yung kanilang sinasabi na ayaw nilang pasabi yung kanilang mga itinutulong o yung kanilang ginagawa. So, may advantages at saka disadvantages. So, blind box advertisement pala ang tawag dyan. So, at least, bagong knowledge na naman sa marketing yan. Blind box advertisement sa marketing. So, yun lang po.